Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to actually hit with the fist. Normally you have the hit with these two knuckles, of your hand, and then the wrist, need to be straightened. You cannot bend this way or back or front. All these ways are not good. If I show you the side view, it's this way or this way or this way, bend this way. It is totally not good. So it's important to have a good grip. And then that's why you have to grip the fingers tight upon especially impact. So it's straighten. And then later on I shall show how to tie the hand wraps, in order to reduce the impact of hurting your wrist, your knuckle, or even your fingers. Thank you.